Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and we're back on the Fabric Ideas site, right? I've already covered in a previous video on this that they stole about 300 votes when they revamped this site, and that's on top of the nearly 200 votes that they stole, prior to that, right? So this vote should be, we should be at well over 2,000 votes on this, if they would just stop stealing votes from it, right? And is that malicious? When they migrated and basically, from what I can tell, they didn't bring over the merged ideas or link them up, maybe, and that's what accounts for the missing vote totals. But whatever. I mean, never attribute to maliciousness what can be easily explained by incompetence, right? I'm just thinking it's probably just incompetence when they brought the stuff over. That because it doesn't, you can't see the merged ideas anymore like you could before. They did bring the comments over and that, but there may be a silver lining to all of this because on my main account, which I'm on right now, um, this used to say vote right there. Now I went ahead and voted. Again, and trust me, I have voted for this idea with all my accounts. Okay, all of them. I'm not gonna say how many I have. I'm just gonna say I voted for this idea for on all of the accounts. So imagine my surprise when I came out here after the revamp and it didn't know that I had voted for this idea on my main account that I use. From so what I can, at least for my account, from what I can tell, maybe they just completely dropped all the voting history as well in terms of who's voted for what. They just brought over the vote totals. It's kind of hard to, it's like you can click here to see who gave kudos to this post. I haven't done this, but it's like, how in the world was my account, like, was I able to vote for this thing? Um, I can't explain it, right? So there's not Greg Deckler, and there's Greg Deckler, and there's Greg Deckler. So, but I guarantee you that they kudoed, user ID. But somehow I didn't know that I'd voted for this. It lost the fact that I voted for this idea. So maybe it wasn't the merged ideas that came over. I don't know. I have no way to explain why. Or if maybe I had voted for a merged idea and then that is the one that they were counting. And so when they wiped those away, then it didn't bring over. So I hadn't voted for the actual idea itself. I was being counted as being having voted for a merged idea. I don't know, but it's worth taking a look at. If you voted for this idea in the past, right? It's worth going out there and seeing if you can vote for it again because your vote may have been dropped. So I don't know. Just take a look at it, see what you think. Be interested to hear what other people's experiences with this. But yeah, there you go. So they actually really did steal votes, right? I mean, there's no doubt about it that I had voted for this, that lost my vote, right? Somehow in this conversion, it of all people to not have voted for this idea, me, like really, come on, I voted for this. So anyway, that's all I had for this video. I'll put the link to the idea in the description. Go check it out if you voted for it. See if you can, see if your vote got stolen and see if you can vote for it. That's it. Have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.